guys, so today I'm going to show you how to what happens when you put the slime into this crushed poppy. So let's get started. So first we have this cap on it, then you put some of it like this much always. Now you're gonna put this slime, so sticky, man. The ocean. Put it on the heart. So take a spoon, then wait a minute. To mix it. You don't use your spoon. You don't ever want to use a spoon. Just can use your hand. Nothing will happen. But one thing will be very sticky. Now we have our very own slime. Very own slime, right? Yucks. It's so sticky. You don't like kind of a sticky slime with it, you can just use your so here we have our slime that is super duper sticky slime, and it's super gross. So gross. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at this slime. What the heck is this? Really like so disgusting, man. Ew. That's gross, totally gross. Ew, I hate this slime. Super duper. This one I didn't make DIY. I just made I bought it from the shop. The vending machine, you know, Ew, that's super duper sticky. And seriously real slime. Slime won't be like this unless you're stupid. Oopsie. This is totally gross. Guys, don't ever try. You must have a supervision, adult supervision in your house while you're making this. Ew, look at it, guys. So Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.